Curtis Trades here, and this is the longest review of fluid film that there is on YouTube. And today we're going to go over fluid film, what it is, how it works, the pros, the cons, and most importantly, how well it prevents rust from happening on your vehicle. And this here is my 2012 Subaru Impreza, and I've had fluid film on it for the past 7 years. And before I got the car, it was from Florida, so when I got it, there was no rust on it at all. And when you use fluid film correctly, it's amazing at slowing rust down. Now, I will say rust is going to happen no matter what if you live in the salt belt. If you use a product like fluid film though, it really slows it down a ton. And I'm not talking about like just get a little bit on your quarter panels here and there. It really slows it down, like 99% rust free. And the really good thing about it is it extends the useful life of your vehicle. I know my father, he got a brand new 2001 Ford Focus. This was 20 years ago. And he ran that thing into the ground. It's got 370,000 miles on it. It's on the original clutch. The motor is all original. The problem is there are massive holes like this big you can see all the way through where rust has eaten the doors away. There is no fender left on the car. There's holes through the entire doors. Mice have gotten into it and completely ruined the car. And if it wasn't for the rust, that vehicle would still be running at 20 years old and 370,000 miles. So as you can see, if you look under here, there is like almost no rust. So for those of you who aren't familiar with fluid film, basically what it is it's lanolin in a spray can. And the lanolin, it's in sheep's wool, and that's what they use to wick water out of their wool, because otherwise they would be completely sopping wet all the time because it's so thick. And so what fluid film is it's lanolin. And the really good things about fluid film are that obviously it repels water. And the second most important thing is that it creeps. Let me show you some pictures from another Crosstrek and some other Imprezas here. These are cars that have similar mileage, similar age, or younger than my vehicle. And you can see like some of this rust is just insane for this old of a car. Like a 10-year-old car, a 7-year-old car, it should not have this much rust. And so that's really why fluid film is awesome. You can see it in the pictures here. I mean, there's barely any rust on my car. There's a little bit by the brakes here. That's because I didn't want to spray too close to the brake rotors. You don't really want to get the fluid film on anything that's having to do with stopping, like the brakes, the tires, for example. And you don't really want to get it by the exhaust. It burns off for a few days. So now I'm going to show you here how easy or hard it is to scrape off this fluid film. Again, I didn't spray any on the outside of the vehicle here. I sprayed it down inside the rocker panels here and inside the doors, and it crept out over time over the past couple months here. So I'm going to scrub it with a brush here, and you can kind of see how sturdy this stuff is. Got some warm soapy water. Takes a good scrubbing to get it off of there. It's nasty stuff. If you just like get water running across it, just runs right off of it. You have to really scrub it a lot to get this stuff off of here. And if I took this through a car wash, I've done it before where I take it through a car wash, the pressure washers and the scrubbers from there, they don't take any of this stuff off. They'll take some of it off, but again, you really need to scrub this stuff hard once it's on there good, with a lot of force to get it off of there. And just really nasty stuff. This is a tire brush. You shouldn't really use this on your paint. It's not the best for it. I'm just kind of showing you how sturdy this stuff is. I don't care about getting a few scratches on this thing. About a month ago, I cleaned all of this off, and it took about a month for it to creep back out and cover up new areas. So that's what I mean by it's self-healing. For those of you that have seen my fluid film videos before, you'll know I say this 100 times, and I'm going to say it 100 times more. best part about fluid film is that it creeps. And when you look at the name of fluid film, they named it really well actually, because it's a film that goes on your car to protect it from rust. And the fluid part about it is really cool, and this is kind of the harder thing for people to understand about it, is that it doesn't dry, it stays wet, and that's what's awesome about it. A lot of the times when they put like a bed liner or a waxy type of undercoating that hardens, what happens is over time they crack and the water and the salt water can seep in, and they actually hold the water on the frame of the vehicle, on the metal, causing it to rust out faster. Fluid film does the opposite. Because it stays wet, it never hardens, and it's constantly protecting the vehicle. And so when it creeps, if some of it gets removed, like say a rock bounces up off the road and it hits it and chips some of it off, what happens is the film, the fluid film, creeps back to cover up those spots that have been compromised, or if the film have been removed at all in those areas. And the other really awesome part about when it creeps is it will get to areas that you didn't specifically spray, because when it oversprays, when you spray a lot of it, it kind of gets particleized and it flies through the air and sticks everywhere. So the more you spray it, the more of the particles are going to be all over the underside, and you can spray them inside the door panels, inside the frame rails, for example, and they cover really well. And if it's damaged, if it's wiped off, eventually this will creep back up and cover that spot that I wiped off. And here you can see, even though I wiped it, it's still a little greasy. There's still fluid film on that area, even if it does get removed a little bit. So it's very small particles and it's very slippery stuff. Like I said earlier, the only real negatives are that you have to reapply it every fall. It is a little bit messy. It is a little bit stinky as well. I don't really mind the scent. It goes away after like 2 or 3 days. So one of the questions I get the most about fluid film is, does it wash off easily? And the answer is no. The one thing I will say is that when you first apply it, I would wait a couple of days for sure before driving in the rain. And definitely don't wash your car when it has fluid film on it. It takes a little bit for it to harden a little bit initially. It's very wet and runny when you first apply it. After about a month, it's really hard. It's really sticky on there. You can't spray it off with a hose. You can get it with a power washer. That's why I say don't take your car through a car wash, especially if it has an undercarriage blast on it in the winter. If it just does the sides and the top, that's totally fine, but you don't need to spray the underside at all winter. I know it's a very non-intuitive thing, but don't wash the underside after you apply fluid film. It will remove it quicker. Not saying it will come off, but it will take some of it off, especially if it's just been applied to the vehicle. So don't wash the underside of the car after applying fluid film. And car washes really aren't very good at removing salt anyways. I'll have a video at the end. You can see I took a GoPro on the bottom of my car through a car wash, and I did about 5 different car washes around me here with undersprayers, and they're just terrible at removing salt. So if you're not going to do fluid film, don't even wash it. You really don't. The car washes are terrible at getting the salt out of the panels and out of the doors. They're not going to get it out of there. So overall, fluid film is a really awesome product. It's very cheap. It's easy to apply yourself. Downfalls are that it's a little messy. It does get washed off over time and you have to reapply it every year. But I definitely think it's worth it, especially if you're looking for a rust proofer. This is the way to rust proof your vehicle.